Well, Leominster is still recovering from a rough few months of intense weather, and now crews there are cleaning out the snow.
Joining us live is Mayor Dean Mazzarella. So, Mayor, how is the city weathering the snow so far this morning? How much has fallen there?
I don't know, but you're missing it all. That's all I could.
That's okay. We've been in it before.
Yeah.
Starting to get a little windy and snow's starting to pick up again. But we started pre-treating yesterday around 4 o'clock, and that's important to get in that pre-treatment process. And then we started plowing through the night. We're in good shape right now. We got the sanders back out and the salters because we're anticipating those temperatures, as you just heard, we're anticipating those temperatures to drop. And when they do, we want black pavement in the morning, and we got street sweep sidewalks out, cleaning sidewalks. We've got about 100 pieces of equipment out there. And bad news for the kids. I think we're going to have school tomorrow. I was saving 75-25, but I've moved it to 20% chance that we don't, 80% chance that we do. So, but crews have done a great job. There's a lot more cars out here than I thought driving around. But we're getting ready for that next wave of snow. But it's getting a little windy, and it's starting to pick up with snow again. So.
Okay, thank you, Mayor. I know you posted on Facebook that make pancakes and stay home, so I hope people listen up.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the Belgian waffles.
Okay.